Are you fascinated by space exploration and thinking about choosing a career related to it? Space exploration is the discovery and study of outer space beyond Earth's atmosphere. It uses telescopes, satellites, space probes, rockets, and human spacecraft to explore and understand the universe. It involves observing celestial bodies such as the moon, planets, stars, and galaxies, sending unmanned missions like robots, probes, and rovers to collect data and images, and human space travel by astronauts to places such as the International Space Station and, in the future, the Moon and Mars. Space exploration also includes scientific research aimed at understanding the universe, Earth's origins, and the possibility of life beyond our planet. In simple terms, space exploration is humanity's effort to explore, understand, and travel beyond Earth into the vast universe. The role of STEM in space careers. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These subjects develop the essential skills needed in many space-related careers. Although space exploration often involves science labs, engineering, and coding, STEM skills are useful in many different roles, including operations, communication, and management. These skills help individuals stand out in the growing space industry. Careers in space exploration. Careers in space exploration span engineering, science, technology, operations, and support services. These roles focus on designing spacecraft, conducting research, managing missions, and analyzing space data. Engineering and technical roles. Aerospace engineers design and test spacecraft, satellites, and launch vehicles. Robotics engineers develop automated systems used in exploration missions. Systems engineers ensure all spacecraft components work together efficiently. Avionics engineers specialize in electronic systems for spacecraft. Propulsion engineers develop engines and thrust systems. Aerospace technicians install, operate, and maintain equipment. CAD designers create technical drawings for spacecraft components. Satellite systems engineers manage communication and navigation technologies. Scientific and research roles. Astronauts conduct experiments and perform operations in space. Astrophysicists and astronomers study celestial objects and cosmic phenomena. Astrobiologists research the possibility of life beyond our planet. Planetary scientists and astrogeologists study planets and moons. Space data analysts interpret information collected from satellites and telescopes. Remote sensing scientists use satellite data to study Earth's environment. Space weather scientists monitor solar activity that may affect satellites and power systems. Operational and support roles. Mission controllers monitor and manage space missions from Earth. Space systems operators control satellites and ground systems. Ground station operators communicate directly with spacecraft. Space policy analysts develop regulations and guidelines. Space law specialists manage legal and commercial activities in space. Public relations and communications specialists document and share mission updates. Emerging and specialized roles. Cybersecurity specialists protect satellite networks and mission data. Space tourism specialists support commercial human space travel. Asteroid mining engineers develop technologies for future resource extraction. VR and AR developers create virtual space simulations for training and education. Space careers that do not require advanced mathematics. Not all space-related careers require high-level mathematics. Many roles focus on technical skills, creativity, communication, or operations. Technical and hands-on roles. Aerospace machinists and welders fabricate rocket and spacecraft components. Satellite technicians install and maintain satellite systems. Assembly technicians build and wire spacecraft components. Quality inspectors ensure equipment meets safety standards. Observatory technicians support telescope operations. Administrative and creative roles. Public relations specialists handle media and outreach. Technical writers and illustrators create manuals and diagrams. Logistics specialists manage equipment and supply chains. Program managers and administrators support daily operations. Education and outreach roles. Astronomy educators teach in schools, museums, or planetariums. Astronomy journalists report on discoveries and missions. Science communicators explain complex ideas to the public. These careers rely more on practical, organizational, or communication skills rather than complex mathematical analysis. Ground staff in space exploration. Ground support teams play a vital role in space missions. They develop, maintain, and operate systems that support spacecraft and satellites from Earth. Ground systems engineers and technicians manage hardware and software at launch sites and ground stations. Mission operations teams monitor spacecraft, analyze telemetry, and send commands. Launch operations personnel prepare and support rocket launches. Safety and security teams ensure systems meet safety standards. Logistics and planning teams coordinate equipment, scheduling, and space support. Education pathways for space careers. Most space exploration careers require at least a bachelor's degree in a STEM field. Common study areas include engineering, aerospace, mechanical, electrical, or software engineering, physical and space sciences, physics, astronomy, astrophysics, or planetary science, computer science and data analysis, software development and data processing, specialized fields such as space studies, astrobiology, and space operations. Advanced roles in research or astronaut selection often require a master's degree or PhD along with professional experience. Business, policy, and management degrees are also valuable for logistics, administration, and regulatory roles within the space industry. Conclusion. Space exploration offers a wide variety of careers, from engineering and scientific research to communication, law, education, and technical support. Whether you enjoy science, technology, creativity, or organization, there are many pathways to contribute to humanity's exploration of space. Now you have a wide range of space exploration careers and professions to consider. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, follow, and subscribe.